Every single day, thousands of YouTubers upload videos, and almost all of them need one thing: a thumbnail that gets clicks. The problem is, most creators either don't know how to design thumbnails or they simply don't have time. And that's where you come in. You don't need to be a professional designer. You don't need Photoshop. Honestly, all you really need is ChatGPT, CapCut, and a Fiverr account. In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how people are making money designing AI thumbnails, even if they are starting from zero. Let's be honest. A great video with a bad thumbnail usually gets ignored. But a great thumbnail can make people stop scrolling and click. That's why creators are willing to pay for them. And now with AI tools, making thumbnails is faster than ever. What used to take hours can now be done in maybe 15 or 20 minutes. That means you can work faster, deliver more thumbnails, and potentially make more money. The good news is you don't need a bunch of expensive software. You really only need two tools. First, ChatGPT or Gemini. Both can create images now, and they're getting surprisingly good. You can generate characters, backgrounds, money effects, arrows, pretty much everything you need. Second, CapCut. This is where you make the final adjustments, add text, increase contrast, make colors pop, add arrows, circles, or little effects that grab attention. That's basically it. No Photoshop required. Here's what the workflow looks like. Step 1. Ask the client about their video. What's the topic? Do they have brand colors? Do they want their face on the thumbnail? The more information you get upfront, the easier everything becomes. Step 2. Write a detailed prompt. Tell the AI exactly what you want. The character, the colors, the emotion, the text, everything. Step 3. Generate a few versions. Don't stop at the first image. Usually, the best thumbnail comes from testing a few ideas. Step 4. Open it in CapCut and polish it. Sharpen the image. Improve the contrast. Make sure the text is readable on mobile. Remember, most people will see the thumbnail on a tiny phone screen. Step 5. Export it in 1280 by 720. That's the standard YouTube thumbnail size. Done. A single thumbnail can take anywhere from 15 to 25 minutes. When you first start, nobody knows who you are. That's normal. Create 5 to 10 sample thumbnails, different niches: finance, gaming, business, podcast, education. Then upload them to Fiverr or Upwork. For your first few orders, keep prices low, maybe $5 or $10. Your goal isn't getting rich immediately. Your goal is getting reviews. Once you have reviews, raising prices becomes much easier. Also, offer fast delivery. A lot of creators are in a hurry. If you can deliver in 24 hours, that's a huge advantage. Don't use copyrighted characters. Don't steal other people's work. Don't promise things like, "This thumbnail will definitely go viral." Nobody can guarantee that. A thumbnail helps, but the title and the video itself matter too. Also, set revision limits. If you don't, some clients will ask for endless changes and waste your time. 2 free revisions is usually enough. So that's it. AI thumbnail design is one of the easiest online businesses to start right now. The startup cost is basically nothing. The demand is already there, and the tools are free or very cheap. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. And in the next video, I'll show you another AI business that can make money online in 2026. See you in the next one.